day today. It's really calm. We're motoring and we're back in the North Atlantic Ocean. We have a 228 metre long tanker out there. The seas are, as you saw, the seas are really flat. Some of you young yachties, you would be turning the motor off and going for a swim, but I don't know, Rick and I don't feel comfortable doing that, do we, Dale?
Not at all.
Yeah, we don't, but I tell you what, we'd feel better for it. But a bucket of water, bucket of seawater does just as good. Boy's feeling the heat a bit. He was actually quite sick yesterday. What are you, mate? Feeling better today? Don't look at Daddy. He didn't make you sick. Because we're going to Rick's sister, we've been eating down the supplies and things, so we don't want to take forever to get. They've got plenty of dry goods, so we won't go hungry. We had a water tank issue earlier on with which reduced our water to half. We have enough, but we need to continue motoring. We can't just drift while there's no wind. Have to make some way. Okay, the ship's travelling 16. You told me 16. 17 was last night. 16. The ship, I just should get Rick to tell you. Yeah, the wind's up his ass. The ship's travelling just over 16 knots. We're travelling just under 5 knots with our sheets all ready to put the genoa up when the wind comes.
He's a big boy, eh? He's not loaded. He's just big. Look how flat the Atlantic Ocean is. Let's go and get some details of this dude, eh? His name is Alamy Hydra. He's 333 meters long, 60 meters wide, doing 17 knots, and he's passing within 1.4 nautical miles of us. And he's a tanker. Draft is 11 meters. Wow. That is one big boat. That's what 333 meters looks like. 1.3 nautical miles away from you in the North Atlantic Ocean. Wow. Wow. We are 400 nautical miles away from land, and just look at the Atlantic Ocean. Not a lot of wind, but look at the swell, next to nothing. Just flying the 2 headsails because yesterday was so hot that with no wind whatsoever, that we had the boom tent up, so when we get the boom tent up we can't hoist the main. So we're travelling along at 6.7 knots at the moment. As you see, there is not a lot of wind, not a lot of swell. Oh boy, Salacia's going well. And it's such a beautiful day. Beautiful day.
The weather is just really crazy. 1 minute we have beautiful sun, the next minute we have thunderstorms. We've got a storm brewing over there, and then we've got blue cloud over there. Yeah, so interesting as we're closing into the coastline of the US, and they've got a storm coming just a little bit above where we're arriving, so that's forming at the moment, some tropical front there. We're only going 4 knots, between 4 and 5 knots, so we're not getting anywhere anytime very fast. Very frustrating. And here comes the sun. Oh well, I'm going on watch now.
Vessel Windy Bay, this is Coast Guard on channel 16, over.
This is Windaway on 16.
Windaway, this is Sector Charleston. Can I have you switch answer 22 Alpha, over?
Switch to 22.
Roger, 22. Windaway, this is Coast Guard, Sector Charleston. Request to know approximately how far does that vessel appear to be from your vessel, over?
They're about a quarter of a mile from us, but we're sailing, so it's going to take us a little while to get to them.
Windaway, Sector Charleston, Roger, that's good copy. Can you describe I heard you say it was a white flashing light. What are the intervals between each flash of the light, over? Windaway, Sector Charleston, over.
3 long, 3 short, 3 long, over and over.
Roger, good copy.
I have to help my husband tack, so I need to leave the radio.
Roger, ma'am, that's a good copy. We'll be standing by on channel 22, waiting to hear back from you, over. Windaway, this is Coast Guard Sector Charleston, 22 Alpha, over.
We're at the vessel. It's a fishing boat. They're at anchor. Nobody up on deck.
Say again, your last.
There's a vessel out here flashing SOS, and I think their position's like only a couple of miles away from us, but I couldn't get the position before.
This is Windaway on 22. It's a fishing vessel. They're at anchor. We don't see anyone on deck. Over. The name of the boat is Longshot. Over.
Roger, Captain, that's a good copy. Is there an engine on that vessel, over?
Yes, there's an engine.
Roger, Captain, can you stand by?
Standing by 22.
Vessel Longshot, this is Coast Guard Sector Charleston, channel 16, over. Windaway, this is Coast Guard on channel 22, over.
This is sailing vessel Windaway to U.S. Coast Guard. It looks like this ship is maybe a 30-foot trawler named Longshot. It's at anchor, and I don't see anyone on the boat. Fishing may have been the coming up and down on the back, but we cannot hail anyone. We were yelling by the boat with no response.
Windaway, this is the Coast Guard Sector Charleston, channel 22 Alpha, over.
Windaway on 22.
Hey, Cap, do you think you can give me an updated position of where the vessel Longshot is at?
Updated coordinates, 33 degrees north, 5 minutes, 0.868. 77 degrees west, 55 minutes, 415.
Wow, 3 nautical miles north of us, and maybe a mile west of us.
Roger, Captain, that's a good copy. Was there any obstruction in your side of viewing when seeing this flashing light, over?
Possibly wave action.
Roger, Captain. I just want to confirm that is the vessel that you spotted and you believe to have seen a flashing white light, correct?
Yes, we kept it in sight.
Captain, this Coast Guard. Request to know if you can see. I understood that you said you couldn't see anybody on board, but were you able to see any lights in the cabin or anything like that, over?
Dim cabin lights and navigation lights.
Roger, Captain. Thank you. I appreciate you looking out and reporting this to the Coast Guard. If you have any other further questions or anything further, Coast Guard will be standing by on channel 16.
Well, at least it's a happy ending. Hey,